Let's take a disc golf road trip. Woo! Hey guys, it's Dylan from the Tomahawk Disc Golf channel, and today we are headed on a disc golf road trip. We are headed from Kansas City, which is where I live, out to Colorado Springs. And the reason we're doing so is basically I'm taking a fun weekend trip out to see my friend Aaron. He was a groomsman in my wedding. We were roommates for a while. Pretty sure he's just one of the best people in the world. So we're heading out there to have a little weekend. I thought on the way we could stop at a few disc golf courses, play some while we're out there, and hit some on the way back. So thought I'd bring you along for the journey. Here we go. Yes. Thank you, Lord, for this hot cup of joe. We've been driving for about 3 hours. My legs are getting sore, and I want to get out and throw some disc golf. So we're near Salina, Kansas. There's a disc golf course right off the highway. Let's go check it out. Hey guys, hope you're enjoying this video so far. If you could just take a second and like this video, and if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you're notified whenever I release new content. Thanks. A few hours later. I'm getting tired of driving again, and I came across a pretty decent disc golf course in Hays, Kansas. So I'm gonna go play some more. Here we go. My wife and I went on vacation in Florida recently, and I realized something about disc golf that I hadn't really thought of before. It's absolutely incredible that you can drive almost anywhere. If you're going on vacation, if you're flying somewhere, wherever you land, you can have your discs with you, you can go out, you can have a great time. And that's what I love about disc golf. In perspective, it's such a cheap sport. Anyone can do it, basically anywhere, and it's just such an incredible time. On the way down, we stopped at a course in Alabama designed by Will Schustring. That guy. It was incredible. And in Florida, we played at 2 courses. And then on the way back, we stopped at one in Mississippi. And then we stopped at one in Arkansas. And it was just amazing to realize that disc golf is such a friendly sport. It's so awesome that anyone at any time can go play anywhere. Love it. Finally made it. Those are the Himalayan mountains. Those are the Appalachian Mountains. The real crustacean mountains. The Emancipation Proclamation Mountains. Just as long as you know I'm kidding and I'm not really stupid. We are finally here. I am so excited. There's Aaron. That's awesome.
Hey, welcome.
Hey guys, we are up here at, I forgot already, Serenity Pines at the Shiny Mountain Golf Club, a little bit west of Colorado Springs. We are here, there's snow on the ground, but we're still gonna play because you can't stop. You can't stop disc golf, can you, Aaron? No, you can't. Anyways, and we'll show you some shots. Here we go. First tomahawk on the Tomahawk Disc Golf channel. Here you go. Nice. Get through there. Oh, stupid tree. All right, I'm using the tilt because this is the perfect hole to use this disc. Not bad. Alright guys, we just got done playing at Serenity Pines, which is about 20 miles outside of Colorado Springs. And seriously, if you're ever in the area, you need to play it. It is an incredible course. It's tough, really technical. I'm out of breath. Good course, good. It's a good course though. Okay. Nice. Unfortunately, I have to head back a day early because there's supposed to be really bad snow all the way from Colorado Springs back to Kansas City. And I'm driving in a Honda Civic, so unfortunately the snow has actually already begun a day early, and so I've got to get on out of here. But first I have to stop at In-N-Out Burger, obviously, so that's where I'm going now. One of the biggest bummers is the fact that you can't even see the mountains anymore. It's so hazy and there's fog and the snow has begun to where you can't even see the mountains anymore. So that's a little depressing, but no, there is no but. I'm just depressed now. Alright guys, we are on our way back from Colorado Springs to Kansas City, making the long drive. And I just wanted to say thank you so much to everyone who joined me on this disc golf road trip. I'm very excited for this year to come. Hopefully my disc golf game will grow. Hopefully this YouTube channel will grow, and hopefully you'll be there to share in that with me. So for now, if you liked this video, please hit that like button. If you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so you're notified when I drop new content. I'm Dylan with the Tomahawk Disc Golf channel. See you next time. Whew. I don't think I had a single vegetable this entire weekend. Do the lettuce, tomatoes, and caramelized onions on the In-N-Out burgers count as vegetables?
Because if so, I totally had enough vegetables. My wife is just going to be so pissed when she realizes how much money I spent on food this weekend. I'm just happy that James Conrad went to Team MVP. To be honest, I didn't know a single other player sponsored by them. But now, hopefully their brand will grow. I don't know about you, but I hope these Bernie Sanders memes never die. They can't last forever, but that'd be great if they did. I should probably focus wholeheartedly on driving rather than talking because it could come back to...